Hi guys, Spp'd here. I have this Yale. It was kindly given to me from Spp'd on the UK Lockspot forum. If I try and focus in a bit on that, you can see there's a number just stamped on there. Similar to, well, very similar, and one on the back to the last one he sent me. It was another one just to try and get open for him. Here's the key. Not a challenging bitting at all. He was just asking for some advice, so there it is. Unlocked and in working order. You don't get an awful lot of feedback from this, or I don't anyway. But I have found the easiest way to open it is moderately heavy tension, a standard hook, but this is slightly thinner than the normal black handle Peterson's, next one down, and go right to the back, find the highest point pin, just slowly pull the pick forward. So off the top of that ledge, pull it forward, and it is really only the last two pins, and it opens. So let's lock that back up again, do it again, from the back, just drop down and catch the first two pins at the back, done again. Just show it is locked up again, do it a third time. You could, I think, if I had slightly more finesse, I'd just click 1 and 2. Oh, no, just click 1 and 2, back there. Let's just reset that. Do it the same way again. So just drop off that ledge at the back. You feel it. It's like it feels like you're falling off a big boulder down onto the other pins, and then you literally catch them and you feel the core release straight away. So, whereas that, I think it's more to do with the bitting and the fact it's an older lock. But there it is, lock back up. Get the key again. Show it working order. Show it working order. There you go. So nothing wrong with the lock at all. So yes, Spp'd. Thank you very much. This will be winging its way back to you. Lovely lock, beautiful lock. Thanks for watching, guys. Spp'd out.